सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल फ्रेंड चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी।
Is our Huawei MateBook X Pro hands-on? Huawei is stepping up its laptop game at MWC with its latest Windows laptop offering. This is the MateBook X Pro. Its Pro moniker should not be taken lightly. Despite its size, it's one powerful laptop, running off the latest Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA's GeForce MX 150 graphics card. But what really sets it apart is the fact that this powerhouse is one handsome package. Immediately, the near borderless display screams out to you. Huawei claims it's the world's first full-view display notebook with a screen-to-body ratio of 91%. It's a gorgeous, super bright 3K display. And new on this Pro model, it's touchscreen too. If you're looking for a lightweight laptop that still feels premium, consider the MateBook X Pro. Its diamond-cut edges and almost bezel-less display give it an expensive, elegant appeal. As for the keyboard, typing on it feels good, but scene stealing is something hidden in one of the function keys. Look closely. Voila! The web camera. Because there is no space on its bezels, Huawei decided to tuck it inside one of the function keys, which is great if you're worried about your privacy. Unfortunately, the angle still leaves a lot to be desired, and you don't really look directly at the person you're on a video call with. Other notable improvements include a larger click pad, rapid login, just press and hold on the fingerprint-enabled power button. Unlock times are a speedy 7.8 seconds for power off and 1.9 seconds from sleep. And quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Here, have a listen and you be the judge. While the MateBook X Pro pushes the USB-C revolution further, we like the fact that there is also a full-sized USB port, so dongles